Hello, everybody out there. Wow. It's been such an we've been getting such a amazing feedback on people wanting to get into cryptocurrencies and Coinbase. I'm not Coinbase, Bitcoin. And with those of us that's been following it for a while, we knew that once it hit $10,000 per Bitcoin, that it was going to get international and mainstream media attention, and that a lot of people was going to be seeing it for the first time that had never heard about it. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your blockchain. This is step one into being able to purchase Bitcoins and do things with it. The first thing you're going to need is a wallet. Now, blockchain.com is the most secure online wallet that I've dealt with. And so you get a free wallet by clicking on get a free wallet. Now you would go through these steps. I'm just gonna go through the steps and set up another account here. So I'm gonna use so we're gonna go through the steps with you, and this, by the way, is step one. All right, I already know the terms and service, but be sure to read them yourself. Enter that. All right, so now wallet has been created. All right, get started now. Welcome. Thank you for joining over 17 million blockchain wallet users. All right, your wallet makes transacting easy and intuitive and is helping to create a fair, accessible, and open financial future. Visit our security center and keep your wallet safe. All right, so it's gonna get started here. So guys, like I mentioned before, having Bitcoins, having your own wallet, you literally become your own bank. Okay, you can send and receive money peer to peer. Okay, business to business, however you want to do it. There is no middleman. There is nobody saying you can't do it. None of that stuff. Okay, you can send and receive money all around the world. Um, your Bitcoins can't be frozen unless you have them in a custodial service like a Coinbase or anything like that. They can actually freeze your Bitcoins. But here we don't have that problem. And also in future videos, I'll show you how to safely store your Bitcoins offline in a physical hardware safe. Okay, so now the next thing you want to do is go to Security Center. Now, like I said, this is probably the most secure wallet on the internet that you can get. You first need to verify your email. Okay, so we'll go to my email. Let's go to my email. Okay, so right here is the welcome to my wallet from blockchain. Yes, this is my email. Your wallet is going to get your own unique ID. Okay, now you go back over here. Email has been verified. Now you want to do a backup phrase. Backup phrase. So right here, write down your recovery phrase and keep it somewhere very safe and secure. Your recovery phrase allows you or anyone else with access to it to restore your wallet and access your funds if you forget your password, or if your service is unavailable, or if our service is unavailable. So you want to make sure that you have your backup phrase. I'm going to pause this because this is something that you cannot see, and you cannot share this with anybody else as well. So I can show you this part. So once you click the backup phrase button, it's going to come here, backup recovery phrase, security tip. Do not store your recovery phrase on your computer or online. It is very important to keep your recovery phrase offline in a safe and private place. Anyone with access to your recovery phrase has access to your funds. Guys, this is the only way people can confiscate your Bitcoins. They have to have so much to to even get to this, but if they have your recovery phrase, they can get it outright. We have created a printable recovery sheet to help you conveniently keep your recovery phrase safe. Please print the blank recovery sheet and then move on to the next step to fill it in. All right, so I'm going to pause here, make sure that they're not showing anything. So I've downloaded the blank recovery sheet, and this is what it looks like. So you're gonna write in 12 recovery phrase that the company is going to give you. So let's go back over to blockchain. All right, so we go to next step. I'm gonna have to pause it again. So I've decided to go ahead on and show you this. I'm pretty much not going to use this account. I'm just going to use it as a video training. But at the same time, though, you would have to have my passwords and all this other stuff in order to get it. So anyway, once you press the button to get your recovery phrase, you're going to receive all of your phrases, and then you'll just click the next 4 to get all 12 phrases. Then after that, you want to click final step. And you know what I'm thinking about? I just may have all this stuff blurred out. I don't know what I was thinking. All right, then you want to click final step, and then after that, you want to verify. You want to verify your. Let me see. So verify using the completed recovery sheet as a reference. Please enter the following words from your recovery phrase to complete the backup process. So then you would do that. I'm gonna pause this and just put these in right quick, and I'll come back with you guys. Okay, so after you've put your 4 words in and click the finish button that was on the right hand side, this pops up and says you have backed up your recovery phrase, and then so you can close this screen. So now you are, and this is a must, guys. This need to be 100%. Your security center should be 100% before you even start to attempt to buy Bitcoins. You want to make sure that your security is concrete. So now here you want to create a password hint. So I'll go ahead on and do that right now. Click the pause button. You want to create your own password hint. Okay, so now that you've saved your hint for your password, we're halfway complete with the security center. Now you want to go to prevent unauthorized access to your wallet. So you want to put your information in here. I am going to link my cell phone number to this, and I'm going to save that. And then now this is to enable. Let me see. We sent your mobile phone and a text message with a verification code. Enter the code below to verify your mobile phone. Do you guys see what I'm saying? How the security is with this blockchain? It's really almost impossible for anybody to get your information, and none of these codes actually stays the same. So I just received my code to my phone, and I'm gonna put that in right now. And this is a one-time code. You'll never get this code again, so you don't have to worry about anybody. So that's been verified. Now what you want to do is enable the 2-step verification process. So you want to click enable here. All right, and so using your Google Authenticator or YubiKey. Now, okay, so let me show you guys what the Google Authenticator looks like. This is something you're gonna have to download this app from your app store. whether it be Android or your Apple phone. So let me just go and show you what that's gonna look like, so you can make sure you get the right thing. So if you do Google Authenticator app, give you an image here. All right, so this is it right here. So when you go to the Google Play Store, this is what you're going to look for, and it's going to say Google Authentic. Type in Google Authenticator, okay, and it's going to look exactly like this. This is what you want, whether you are on your Android or whether you're on your Apple phone. This is what it's going to look like. I think for Apple, it's the other thing that I think it's this one, the YubiKey. I've never heard of that. But this is what you want, okay? And then you want to close that. Now, here's what we're going to do. So once you have that downloaded, excuse me, let me click back on here. Once you have that downloaded, you want to just simply scan the barcode, okay? So I'm going on my phone on my Google Authenticator, and on the Google Authenticator, as a matter of fact, what I'm gonna do is while I'm talking on here. Well, anyway, guys, on the Google Authenticator, there's gonna be a red plus sign, okay, at the bottom right corner. You want to click on that red plus sign, and then what's going to pop up is scan barcode or enter a provided key. You want to click the scan barcode, okay? Now when you scan the barcode, a little picture is going to come up, and you simply, the barcode that you're looking at right here, you simply put your phone in the middle, and it's going to scan that barcode. Once it scans the barcode, like it just did, it's going to say secret saved, and you'll see that your blockchain account has been added to your Google Authenticator app, okay? And so then you want to, let me see here. All right, so then now this code changes every 10 minutes in here, so you then want to put the code in. You'll never have the same code twice, okay? And then you click enable. So the code that it gives you in the Google Authenticator app is what you put in before the timer goes off, and then you click the enable two-way two-way verification, and then there you go. Congratulations, two-factor authentication has been successfully enabled, and then close that. All right, so you're almost done with your security setup. Now the next thing you want to do is this thing here, advanced security option to harden your wallet. Enable the following option to prevent IP addresses that are known to be part of the Tor anonymizing network from accessing your wallet. The Tor network is frequently used by hackers attempting to access blockchain users' wallet. So you want to click block, and that's it. That's it, guys. As you can see, the arrow, the bar turned green, and your security setup is complete. And then after that, you want to simply go to your dashboard. Okay. Now, if you notice something, not one time have this blockchain wallet asked for any of your personal information except your phone number and your email. No banking information, no social security, no ID, none of that stuff. Do y'all understand what I'm saying? This is how the blockchain network, this is how Bitcoin network is set up. This is what it was designed to do. It was designed to keep your personal information offline, so that way people cannot steal your identity. You understand what I'm saying? When you go to places like Coinbase, let's just go back over here. Uh, and I'm kind of going off subject right now, but I want to make sure that you guys understand how important it is to make sure that you pick the right wallet. Uh, when you go to places like, I need to do the calculator, / calculator. So say for instance, if you was to go to like Coinbase and you set up something there, guys, listen, you have to give them all of your information, your name, your number, your address, your social security number, your driver's license, your bank account information. They have everything. And I can show you articles where Coinbase have frozen people accounts where they couldn't get their Bitcoins. I don't deal, frankly, I don't deal with any company that's based in the US, period, or in the UK. Like I said, local Bitcoins is probably the best out there because you do peer to peer, just as Bitcoin transactions should be done. Okay, that's all for this video. In the next video, I'll be showing you guys um, how to fund your blockchain with local Bitcoin. All right, Rodney Meeks here, guys, signing off.